Which entities in Earth's atmosphere cause the scattering of sunlight? Rayleigh scattering occurs when sunlight interacts with gas molecules and atoms in the atmosphere that are smaller than the wavelength of light. This phenomenon is primarily responsible for the blue color of the sky during the day. Water vapor contributes to scattering but is not the sole cause, as nitrogen and oxygen molecules play a larger role. Dust particles cause Mie scattering, which is different from the molecular scattering that dominates the clear sky. Large macroscopic objects reflect or block light rather than causing the atmospheric scattering observed in the sky. What happens to light rays when they hit a mirror in a periscope? A periscope uses two plane mirrors set at a 45-degree angle to reflect light rays, allowing an observer to see objects over obstacles. This application demonstrates the law of reflection where the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. What occurs when a ray of light passes from one medium to another? Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another due to a change in its speed. This phenomenon is governed by Snell's law and depends on the specific refractive indices of the two media involved. Reflection occurs when light bounces back into the same medium after hitting a surface. Dispersion is the splitting of white light into its constituent colors, usually occurring within a single medium like a prisma. Absorption happens when the energy of the light is taken up by the matter and converted into other forms like heat. What is the approximate value of 1 light-year in meters? A light-year is the distance that light travels in a vacuum in 1 Julian year, which equals approximately 9.46 trillion kilometers. In meters, this value is expressed as 9.46 times 10^15 m, serving as a standard unit for measuring interstellar distances. What is the name for the laws that govern the refraction of light rays as they travel from one medium to another? Snell's law states that the ratio of the signs of the angles of incidence and refraction is constant for a given pair of media. This principle is fundamental in optics for calculating how light bends when passing through lenses or prisms. A. Newton's laws of motion describe the relationship between a body and the forces acting upon it. B. Kepler's laws describe the orbits of planets around the Sun. C. Faraday's laws of induction explain how a magnetic field interacts with an electric circuit to produce an electromotive force. When light rays from a distant object enter a periscope, how are they typically directed? A basic periscope uses two plane mirrors positioned at 45-degree angles to reflect light from one level to another. This allows the observer to see objects over obstacles or from a submerged position by redirecting the light path. If light were absorbed by the tube, no image would reach the observer, making the device non-functional. While some advanced periscopes use lenses for magnification, the fundamental directional change is achieved through reflection. Dispersion by a prisma would split the light into a rainbow spectrum, which would blur and distort the viewed image. Which term describes the ray of light that bounces off a surface? According to the laws of reflection, the ray of light that returns or bounces back from a surface into the same medium is called the reflected ray. The angle at which it leaves the surface is equal to the angle of incidence relative to the normal. How is light from a book detected by the human eye? Non-luminous objects like books are seen because they reflect light from an external source into our eyes. The surface of the book scatters this light, allowing the retina to capture the image and the brain to process it. Books are non-luminous objects and do not possess the ability to generate their own light. If a book absorbed all light and emitted it later, it would be phosphorescent, which is not how standard paper behaves. Books are opaque, meaning light cannot be transmitted through them, it is either reflected or absorbed. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.